Well, what does it take to cook Italian food like a true Italian? One might ask. Well, the essence of Italian cuisine lies in its simplicity and the celebration of high-quality, fresh ingredients. This cuisine, rich in its diversity, offers a palette of flavors that ranges from the sun-drenched tomatoes of Sicily to the creamy risottos of Lombardy. Today, we're going to delve into the heart of Italian cooking, revealing insider tips to help you master this beloved cuisine. Stay tuned to learn the secrets of authentic Italian cooking. The secret to Italian cooking lies in the freshness of the ingredients. Imagine biting into a ripe, juicy tomato, the burst of flavors, the tangy sweetness, the succulent juice that fills your mouth. Now imagine that same tomato, but a week older, a little less vibrant, a little less juicy. The difference is palpable, isn't it? That, right there, is the magic of freshness. Italian cooking thrives on this magic. Authentic Italian cuisine isn't just about fancy techniques or secret spices. It's about letting the natural flavors shine. It's about celebrating the ingredients in their purest, freshest form. You see, in Italy, food isn't just sustenance, it's a celebration. A celebration of the seasons, of the local produce, of the harmony between the earth and its bounty. It's about savoring the sweet crunchiness of spring peas, the hearty richness of fall mushrooms, the vibrant tang of summer tomatoes. Each season brings with it a unique palette of flavors, and Italian cooking embraces it wholeheartedly. But why does freshness matter so much? Well, fresh ingredients aren't just tastier, they're also healthier. They retain more nutrients as compared to their processed or preserved counterparts, and let's not forget, fresh ingredients also lead to more vibrant colors on your plate, making the meal not just delicious, but visually appealing too. High-quality ingredients are another cornerstone of Italian cooking. Italians take immense pride in the quality of their produce. The golden olive oil, the creamy mozzarella, the robust San Marzano tomatoes, each ingredient is chosen with care, with attention to its quality and origin. This attention to detail, this respect for the ingredients, is what sets Italian cooking apart. Now, sourcing fresh, high-quality ingredients might seem like a daunting task. But remember, it's not about finding the most exotic or expensive items. It's about finding what's fresh, what's in season, what's local. Visit your local farmer's market, grow your own herbs, buy from local artisans and producers. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So next time you're cooking up an Italian feast, remember this. The secret isn't in the sauce, it's not in the pasta, it's in the freshness of the ingredients. Remember, fresh ingredients are the backbone of Italian cuisine. Pasta is a staple in Italian cuisine, but do you know how to cook it perfectly? Let's dive into the world of pasta, the heart of Italian cuisine, and discover how to prepare it just right. You see, the secret to perfectly cooked pasta lies in the details. Small tweaks in your cooking process can take your pasta from good to great. First things first, always remember to cook pasta al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. This means your pasta should be cooked until it's firm when bitten. Not too soft, not too hard, just right. To achieve this, you need to keep a close eye on your pasta as it cooks. The cooking time will depend on the type of pasta you're using, so make sure to check the package instructions. Now let's talk about the water you're cooking your pasta in. It's not just about boiling water, folks. You need to salt your pasta water generously. Why, you ask? Because this is your chance to season the pasta itself. The salt will infuse into the pasta as it cooks, bringing out its flavor beautifully. But how much salt, you might wonder? A good rule of thumb is to use about 1 tablespoon of salt for every 4 cups of water. And remember, always add the salt once the water has come to a full boil. The next crucial part is the sauce. The amount of sauce used can make or break your pasta dish. You want to make sure your pasta is coated evenly, but not drowning in sauce. A common mistake is to use too much sauce, which can overwhelm the pasta and hide its flavor. So keep it balanced. And here's a pro tip. Reserve some of the pasta cooking water before you drain your pasta. This starchy water can be used to adjust the thickness of your sauce, helping it to cling to the pasta better. Mastering pasta cooking is a key step in your Italian culinary journey. So get in your kitchen, start experimenting, and soon enough, you'll be cooking pasta like a true Italian nonna. Olive oil is the lifeblood of Italian cuisine. This golden liquid is not just a cooking ingredient, but a cornerstone of the culture. a testament to the Italian love for quality, flavor, and tradition. It's the silent hero that makes Italian dishes sing with flavor, adding depth, richness, and a unique personality that sets Italian cuisine apart. Think of olive oil as the orchestra conductor, harmonizing the symphony of flavors in your dish. From sautéing onions for a hearty ragu to drizzling over a fresh caprese salad, olive oil is the reliable companion that brings out the best in other ingredients. But not all olive oils are created equal. To choose a good one, consider its origin and production method. Look for extra virgin olive oil, as it's made from pure cold-pressed olives, retaining the highest amount of nutrients and flavors. And remember, the darker the bottle, the better, as it protects the oil from light, preserving its quality. When it comes to using olive oil, timing is everything. Use it at the start of your cooking to infuse your dishes with its flavor, or drizzle it at the end for a finishing touch that will make your dishes pop with an extra layer of richness. Olive oil is not just an ingredient, it's a celebration of Italian tradition and culinary craftsmanship. And remember, a good olive oil can elevate your Italian dishes to a whole new level. An Italian dish is incomplete without a sprinkle of cheese. This statement rings true for anyone who has ever tasted the rich and creamy delight of Italian cheese. It's not just a topping, it's a cornerstone of Italian cuisine, providing the finishing touch that brings every dish to life. The world of Italian cheese is as diverse as the country's landscapes, with each region boasting its own unique delicacies. Let's embark on a journey through Italy's cheese landscape. From the soft and creamy mozzarella of Campania to the robust and sharp Parmigiano Reggiano of Emilia-Romagna. Mozzarella, a cheese that needs no introduction, is the star of many Italian dishes. It melts beautifully, making it the perfect choice for pizza and lasagna. Meanwhile, Parmigiano Reggiano, often referred to as the king of cheeses, is a hard, granular cheese with a complex, fruity and nutty taste. It's not just for grating over pasta. It's also fantastic when shaved over salads or enjoyed on its own as a snack. Then we have Gorgonzola, a blue-veined cheese from Lombardy with a strong, pungent flavor. It's creamy and slightly sweet, making it perfect for adding a touch of luxury to risottos or for pairing with pears and honey for a delightful dessert. And let's not forget ricotta, a versatile cheese that can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. Whether it's stuffed into ravioli, whisked into a lemon ricotta cake, or simply spread on a piece of crusty bread, ricotta is a true workhorse in the Italian kitchen. Now, how do we store these treasures? Cheese is a living food, and it needs to breathe. Wrap it in wax paper or cheese paper, never plastic. And always store it in the fridge, ideally in the vegetable drawer where the temperature is consistent. Serving cheese is an art in itself. Allow it to come to room temperature before serving to fully appreciate its flavors. And remember, cheese is not just a garnish. It's a key component of the dish, so use it generously. Cheese adds the final touch that brings an Italian dish to life. Whether it's a dusting of pecorino romano on a bowl of spaghetti, or a slice of taleggio melting on a panini, Italian cheese truly is the crowning glory of Italian cuisine. We've learned quite a bit about Italian cooking today. It's a culinary journey that takes us from the simple to the sublime, all the while keeping us grounded with the freshness of ingredients and the passion for flavors. We started with the question of Italian cuisine and discovered its roots in simplicity and freshness. These are not just words, but a philosophy that forms the backbone of this rich culinary tradition. Fresh ingredients, locally sourced and seasonal, are the stars of the show. Then we took a deep dive into the art of pasta cooking. Remember, pasta is not just a side dish, but a main event in Italian cuisine. Mastering it requires understanding its nuances, from choosing the right type to achieving the perfect al dente texture. Next, we explored the role of olive oil, the liquid gold of Italian cuisine. It's not just about frying or sautéing, but about enhancing flavors and adding a silky, unctuous quality to dishes. Finally, we ended our journey with cheese, the crowning glory of many an Italian dish. From Parmigiano Reggiano to mozzarella, the variety and versatility of Italian cheeses are simply astounding. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Italian cooking filled with tips and insights to bring the true essence of Italian cuisine into your kitchen. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to cooking Italian food like a true Italian. Buon appetito! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep cooking and keep exploring.